Hello, my divine connections. How are you guys doing? Mwah, 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 mwah. I hope you guys are doing well. Give me an air hug. Anyway, I hope and pray this message find you in good spirits and that you guys are putting forth for effort to keep your vibrations, your spirits up. For myself, I couldn't go to sleep last night. I tried to go to sleep, probably my nerves. So I had kind of groggy this morning. So I had to get myself up and I had to work a little bit more this morning to say, okay, come on, let's get excited. Let's get excited. Thank God for this day. And so I had to really pump myself up. So sometimes it does not come natural. And you have to really begin to think about the positive things. And you should be like, yes, yes. And thinking about the blessing that you have. If you focus on your blessings, you should be getting excited. If you focus on your problems, you're going to be ungrateful. But if you focus on all the good things that God has done, I'm telling you, you will begin to see and feel joy and peace over your life. But, okay, today's topic is where the attention goes, power flows. Did you get that? Where your attention goes, power flows. Where your attention goes, power flows, okay? Say it with me. Where the attention goes, power flows. So what does that really mean? What does that mean? It means that, okay, for instance, I got my purse, right? I'm not just showing you guys, just show it off, but it is beautiful, right? Okay, so I told you guys how I have cards. Got these cards laminated. And so in order for me, because my mind can go everywhere, so I have to make sure my dominant thoughts are staying focused on the positive only that I desires, that I want to be manifested, that will be manifested. And so because my mind can go here, there, everywhere, I have to put it down, write it down. And I have some cards right here so that whenever I have a moment and I begin to speak life into him. So I have prayers and cards so keep me on focus with my dominant thoughts and what I'm saying about those things to myself and saying out to public. So my attention is going towards my personal development, and I believe that's why also a door opened. Oh, that was a dominant thought. So I should not be surprised that this opportunity came open because I was always thinking about it. So the question is for today, what is your dominant thoughts? What are your dominant thoughts? So you watching this video, think about it. Where the attention goes, power flows. Where your attention goes, power flows. So you're giving so much attention, okay? Your vibrations, your spirit is going into that sickness. You're getting more of it. You're growing it stronger. I know I didn't make this up. I will put down a screenshot so you guys can see it. Do your own research. Type that message in. Where your attention goes, power flows. For instance, okay, another example. So instead of saying, back to sickness, instead of saying I am sick, okay, or depressed, okay, I dealt with that. So now I'm saying I am happy. No, at first I was like, no, I'm not. But I have to consistently say it. I am happy. I am joyful. Or if you got to make it believable for yourself, so you can say, I am in the process of getting happy. I am in the process of feeling great. I am in the process. You have to begin to speak life, and then you begin to say, I am happy. I am good. Begin to speak that to yourself. Thank it. I am healed. So you got to if you're really serious about it, okay? And you see, I'm getting really serious about it, okay? I got cards. I went and got stuff laminated. So you got to ask yourself, how serious do you want your healing? How serious do you want to be delivered from depression? How serious do you want to be delivered from anxieties and anything that may be plaguing you? You got to speak life and focus on that. Focus on the good. Focus on the good. A simple switch in the atmosphere, switch in your mentality, and you can do it for anything. At first it feels kind of strange, but you can get it. And it depends on how serious you want it. Do you really want it? Goodbye.